Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Someone wanted to know, well, why, Dr. Kemp, are you going? I said that I was going to rebuild this, my Leslie Tremolo Control kit, my 428 box or kit. And someone wanted to know, well, why would you need to do that? Well, because these components wear out over time. And this is an old box, this is a 1960s kit. And well, what kind of problems can you have that would cause you to need to rebuild this? One, if you have a good or a new relay installed in your Leslie amplifier, so you know your relay is working fine, and you know that you have good 12 AU 7 tubes. You have a good 12 AU 7 tube over on that left side of the 122 amplifier, so you know that that tube is good. You know that your relay is good. But yet, when you hit the switch on your organ, when you hit that switch, it doesn't switch speeds. You don't get a change of speeds in your motors in your Leslie. All right, so that would be one indicator that you need to rebuild your 428 kit. Now, that was not the problem that I was having. The problem that I was having was that when my Leslie switch was set and I'd play for a period of time, then I would lose. It would lose, the organ would lose volume. It would seem like as they were shorting out. Then I'd hit the switch, and the Leslie, the volume would come back up on the organ, and the organ would play as it should. Then I hit the switch again, and it seemed as though it was shorting out. So what I did was first I checked the line running from my switch and secured it, made sure that it was as it should be, and in fact resoldered that. Someone had poorly soldered it in the previous owner, so I cut that line and resoldered that and fixed it, and that improved it somewhat, but I still was having intermittent problems. So I'm going to go ahead and rebuild this unit, and that should resolve my issues with my switching of my Leslie motors. Okay, so I'll let you know how that turns out once I've gotten this done. Okay, until the next video, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, working on my Hammond B3 organ here. Till the next time, peace out.